Okay, so Sandra's gonna eat some dog food called bacon strips. As I know some of you have seen those on TV. And here is the piece. Yes, this is an actual bacon strip from the bacon strips.
I'm not eating. Don't eat my food.
You are eating it.
I know, but I'm not eating.
Did you take that from him?
No, this is mine. He's trying to eat it.
Give it to him. You have this small piece.
Alright.
This is actual dog food.
This actual dog food.
Yes.
Like, no kidding.
This is her reaction. I need you to actually eat it. At least eat half of that.
Okay.
So everybody can see your reaction. Look at the camera. Hey.
No! It tastes like crap!
Oh.
I'm gonna eat it again.
Yeah, you have to. Just try chewing it.
I'm gonna puke.
Just try. I can't see your mouth. It's real bacon and cheese flavor. Ew, landed on him.
It landed on his head. Alright. Doesn't taste that bad.
Are you eating it?
Ew. Give me another piece.
Okay.
Here you go, doggy.
Getting another piece of the bacon strip.
I'm eating dog food.
Hold the camera. Yes, the glass bag.
Where?
The glass bag, remember?
Okay.
Bacon strips. Bacon strips. Bacon strips. Real dog food right there. Hold on, I need to keep some together. See, I'm getting from the bag and I'm giving it to them. And they're taking it to eat. And this piece right here is what he's gonna eat. See the piece, see the piece. Hold on. Okay. The actual piece. Pretend to be dog. Hey.
Ew, that does taste like cheese.
Try biting it. Chew it. And then so was the broken half.
That is gross.
Are you overreact? Are you sarcastic?
Ew, it tastes like cheese.
It's cheese flavored, stupid.
Eat it, eating it.
Okay, okay. Okay, do you
I'm
want
re-
me to swallow it?
That'd be cool. Go sideways so I can see you eat it. Yeah.
I can't chew it.
That's okay.
Dude, disgusting.
That's okay.
I'll try one more.
You don't have to.
Is that good enough? Will people laugh at me for eating your dog food?
Comment below if you would laugh. I don't know.
It tastes like cheese, really.
Because it is bacon and cheese flavored. Is there any bacon taste?
More like American cheese.
It's a tack up Sandra's phone.
I
And that
told
would
my
be
friend,
all.
I texted her, I'm like, I'm eating dog food.
And that would be all.
Next a little bit.
Are you gonna do it?
I'm too scared to. I'm just wiping my tongue.
Cameron's gonna eat it.
I just like take a random piece of bacon strip and
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Cooking.